Hey Stampers, Nancy Novak here. Just a quick pop on because yesterday's card is just too gorgeous not to have a matching envelope. So if you recall, all this week we've been working with the Hooray for Surprises bundle, which is this pretty stamp set, and the dies, and they create interactive cards. And here's yesterday's card that we made. So pretty. And it has the little pull tab there that when the recipient pulls it, they will see what we stamped underneath, which is "You are simply amazing." But yeah, this is just too gorgeous. So watch how quick and easy it is to make a matching envelope. So recall we used some of this designer series paper, and this is called Softly Stippled, and it's a free item in the celebration catalog. So this was the paper we used right here on our card. So I just cut another strip of paper. That designer series paper is 2 1/4 by 5 3/4, and I have my little envelope here, and I'm just going to put some glue all around the flap of the envelope. Then I'm going to take our designer series paper and I'm going to match it right up to the fold of the envelope. And then I'm going to use Stampin' Up's paper snips, and I'm just going to trim away that extra designer series paper. And voila, look at the impressive transformation. Just imagine when somebody gets that matching coordinated card and envelope. Isn't that pretty? And it's so simple to do. Stay tuned for more quick tips and tricks. And if you've missed yesterday's card, you can watch it right here. Don't be shy. Stamp and shout.